G'day, welcome back. So back here with the old Ferguson tractor, and it doesn't want to start. Turns over fine, seems to have a spark. Even when start your bastard, it doesn't even want to try and start. So first of all, we're going to try that. Well, try and start it just as is. Then we're going to do a few checks. Got a wee spark gauge so we can see how much spark it's got. It's definitely got some. Do a wee compression test and see if we can figure it out. Alright, so let's have a look at the battery. 12.79 volts out of the vehicle. Pretty standard battery. It's a 350 cold cranking amps. Oh yep, it's pretty good. Right, so we'll come along here, we'll just try and start it. Normally the battery's just been off the charger. Test fine. Come and open up the fuel. Fuel bowl's full. See if she'll start. Ignition on. Turning over well. Right. Forgot to get the easy start, hang on. We've got a cuff. It might work. Plenty of oil pressure. Well, it started. We've got a bit of gardening to do now. I hate the hydraulics on this thing. I could never get the flipping loader to work. Got the PTO lever down there. You got the valve, you got the handle, but no, I can never get it to work, so leave that for someone else, eh? There we are. We did have everything we needed to get it started. We just needed to use more Start Your Bastard, 25% ether. So yeah, we'll do some testing on this tractor. I'm trying to talk him into rebuilding the engine, re-sleeving new liners, new pistons and all the stuff, because it's a pretty cool tractor. So yeah, we'll do some compression tests and bits later on, but we got it started. That's what we needed to do, and we did, and it runs great. Still smoky because it's got the father-in-law, he filled up his Ranger with petrol instead of diesel, so they drained it off at the garage, and we put that all in the old tractor there, so that's why it smokes a wee bit, mainly. It probably burns some oil too, but yeah, it's a cool tractor. We'll do some more videos. We'll hopefully talk them into rebuilding it. Not just a rebuild, like old school pistons and stuff. So yeah, there we go. Comment, like, subscribe. We'll see you for someone else.